Close to a month after Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by the ED, there seems to be no legal relief in sight for the Delhi Chief Minister. No less than the Supreme Court has so far not yet called the arrest illegal. Kejriwal's request to be granted permission for campaigning has also been rejected by the top court. And what's more is that the Rouse Avenue Court also extended Kejriwal's judicial custody till the 23rd of April. Let's tell you what Kejriwal argued in court. Appearing for Kejriwal as counsel, Abhishek Manu Singhvi called it an unusual matter that will shake the conscience of the court. Singhvi mentioned there are 2 documents, FIR and ECIR, and 8 charge sheets between the CBI and the ED where Kejriwal has not been named. He argued that while the probe into the case began in 2022, Arvind Kejriwal was arrested on 21st March 2024. He also argued that in 16 statements, there is only one statement that mentions Kejriwal, which means the objective of arrest post the Model Code of Conduct is to disable Kejriwal from campaigning. The top court has issued a notice to the ED, though, seeking a response by 24th April. The Supreme Court setback comes after the High Court that had also refused to grant relief and made scathing observations that the ED was able to place enough material and that the Chief Minister can't expect special privileges. But the setback didn't end there. In the Delhi court today, Special CBI Judge Kaveri Baweja also extended Kejriwal's judicial custody. The court noted that other co-accused are also in the judicial custody till 23rd, and thus Kejriwal's judicial custody should be extended till then. While the ED sought 14-day custody, it was extended by 8 days. But the political storm amid the arrest also continues. Before the Supreme Court hearing, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann met Kejriwal in Tihar jail. The meeting lasted for about 20 minutes, and after the meeting, the Chief Minister leveled a huge charge saying Kejriwal was being treated like a terrorist in jail.
जो हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल होते हैं, जो खतरनाक अपराधी होते हैं, उनके वाली सहूलतें भी नहीं मिलती। मतलब क्या कसूर, क्या मतलब अरविंद केजरीवाल का कसूर क्या है? तो आप उनको ऐसे ट्रीट कर रहे हो जैसे बहुत देश का बहुत बड़ा आतंकवादी पकड़ लिया हो। 1 to 1 एक कमरे में बिठा के वो मुलाकात कराते थे। आज शीशे के पार जैसे बहुत बड़ा कोई हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल जो है वो बैठा हो सामने, शीशे के पार फोन पे बात करवाई। मतलब हद हैरानी की। मोदी जी चाहते क्या है? मतलब ऐसे ये ट्रीटमेंट मिलेगी क्या?
The BJP has questioned the priorities of the Punjab Chief Minister and also took a dig at him, saying if there are concerns with the Chief Minister's treatment in jail, he should be perhaps brought to Punjab jails to enjoy some luxury.
ये मामला न्यायालय और जांच एजेंसी के बीच का है और मुझे लगता है कि जांच एजेंसी और न्यायालय अपना काम कर रही हैं, तो जैसे जैसे भ्रष्टाचार की परतें खुलेंगी, आगे और चीजें सामने आएंगी।
I don't know how can Bhagwant Mann ji promote somebody who's tainted with this kind of corrupt practices. But as I've earlier also said, this Punjab also has the same issue which has landed Kejriwal Sahab in jail in Tihar. That is the liquor policy. Punjab has also been affected by the same, and the case is still open here also. I would suggest Bhagwant Mann ji, if he wants to meet Kejriwal Sahab in a pleasant atmosphere, then might as well get Kejriwal Sahab on a production warrant to investigate this Punjab angle of liquor scam.
मनोज, एक आखिरी सवाल। अरविंद केजरीवाल हाईकोर्ट से राहत नहीं मिली, आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आज उनका जो है फैसला आएगा कि क्या आगे केस क्या रहेगा। हाईकोर्ट से उन्हें कोई सफलता नहीं मिली, तो कैसे देखते हैं?
कानून अपना काम कर रहा है। सत्ता का लोभी सत्ता के बिना तड़प रहा है। दिल्ली की जनता उसके कुकर्मों से त्राही त्राही कर रही है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि जो जैसा करेगा वैसा भरेगा।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।